What is the DURAHUMAN paradox? A bold statement on the duality of human existence. Herein lies the paradox. The human body, perhaps the most meticulously studied entity in existence, still baffles and surprises the scientific community. Despite advances in medical technology and knowledge, there remain aspects of our physiology and consciousness that evade definition or explanation. The body is both a tangible, dissectable entity and an unfathomable mystery, a base of secrets locked within cells. To embrace the paradox of the human body is to accept that our quest for understanding is infinite. It is to recognize that the body is not just a machine to be optimized, but a canvas of potential, a source of inspiration, and a repository of wisdom. It urges us to push the boundaries of what is known, to innovate, and to explore with the tenacity and wonder systems. Our efforts should not only seek to unravel its mysteries, but to celebrate them, to approach health and fitness as an art as much as a science.